Happy Saturday, you lovely lot. It is Saturday, the Daisy 2nd of July. Could it be? It is Saturday, the 2nd of July. It is 1:15, and welcome to Cheers HQ 2.0. That's harder to do than I thought. We've had something going on, haven't we, Days?
We have.
What have we been doing?
Moving house, isn't it?
We've bought a house. So after many years of, you know, living at work, working where we live, we have decided to. Hello, welcome to the vlog. How are you?
I'm good. I'm looking a bit gross, a bit crusty. Don't look at me.
Don't look at me. We've bought a house. We have. We've still got the guest house, but we have decided living on top of work is just too much after 20 years of doing it. So we have bought a little house.
We have.
How's it feel?
It's really weird.
It's really weird.
Because I've never lived in a house that's not a business.
I know.
Which is really strange.
It is very
I
strange.
think I'm going to become too relaxed.
It could be a bit bizarre. So, you know, a bit of a life update. Work is really, really busy. We've not seen you since our trip to. Do you want to come in? This sounds weird. Well, it's been really busy. We've not seen you lovely lot since our Florida trip. We've been busy racing, so the race vlogs will be coming up very, very soon. And we we viewed this house in November, and for very boring reasons, we completed on it. So we got the keys on Wednesday.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to be. We got beds and stuff arriving because we're still living at the guest house, and we don't have to move out immediately. So I think it's going to be a gradual thing.
Yeah.
What have you been researching?
How to paint a room.
How to paint a room.
Because I like doing stuff by myself.
So Daisy's going to decorate a room.
Yeah. I'm a bit nervous.
Yeah.
But I feel like I can do it. So it can't be that hard, can it? Put a bit of paint on it.
It can't be that hard. So this is just going to be a little live catch up and give you a tour of our new home. Where should we start?
We'll start downstairs.
Let's start downstairs. Let's go.
In order.
So Luke is nice and busy. He is. He's currently instructing people in supercars. So he's had 4 days work this week. So the last 2 days he has been at Thruxton tearing around in Porsche Caymans. And today, I don't know what he's in today, but yeah, we will give you it's like cribs.
Hey guys, welcome to my crib.
Right, should we go from the front door?
Yeah.
So here's the front door. So you come through the front door.
A nice little voice break then, didn't you?
Thanks very much.
Nice.
Right, take us through.
So welcome, this is the living room.
Yeah.
We bought their sofas off them because we took our sofa, it'd be like the wrong way round.
Yeah.
And this one swivels. We've got a chair as well.
This is where you consider world dominance.
I feel like Kylo's going to claim this chair though.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to get too comfy in it.
And the people that we bought from have done a fantastic job. The house is pretty much spotless, and they've left loads of stuff, which is really nice. You know, we're big into karma, so because we didn't need to get in on the completion day, we just said, don't worry, hang on to the keys, drop them off when you're done, don't stress. And I think that's sort of come around, and because they've left the house.
Yeah, it's in a very good state.
In a very good state. So little things like left the light bulbs, left toilet roll in the toilets. Not in the toilets, but you know, on the holdery things. They left really nice blinds. So yeah, this is our little lounge.
This sofa is very comfy.
Very comfy.
I'm glad they left it.
Yeah, we have got some nice plugs. We've got an understair, we've got a Harry Potter cupboard. Don't know if this
That is like the ultimate Harry Potter cupboard. It has no light though. It's like...
It's pretty big. Come in my cupboard. Hello.
I'm the boy who lived.
And this goes through into the kitchen.
I love the kitchen.
I love the kitchen too.
I feel like it's going to be a really good house for like gatherings.
Yeah.
Not fat gatherings, just like skinny gatherings.
Skinny gatherings.
Skinny gatherings.
So yeah, I'm really excited about having 2 ovens. So
that's going to revolutionise our life, I think.
yeah, so roasts in there, Yorkies in there, different temperatures. Very excited.
Beautiful. I was going down the route of pizza and garlic bread, but I respect your choice as well.
Thanks very much. And we've got a downstairs loo, which is in here. And one of the things that I'm most excited about is having a garden.
I know.
So we've not had this, like our own garden for a while without guests walking past. Also, that one of the big things I'm excited for is to cat-proof the garden. So our lovely cats can get out and have a tear about in the fresh air. That's one of the things that I find hardest about having indoor cats.
There is a bit of guilt having indoor cats, I feel.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, there's the guilt, but also our cats are idiots, so they would just walk, they'd look at the road and be like, that looks cool, I'm gonna lie in it.
Be squish.
Yeah, but it is sad because, especially Kylo, he's always like
sniffing
looking at the door, really like sad.
Yeah.
But now they've got a big garden.
Come and have a look at our garden.
I say big. I think it's just because we've never really had a garden.
Yeah, we got AstroTurf. We got a nice garage. Outdoor plugs, which I'm strangely excited for.
What are you going to plug into?
Pat jet washers, so I can clean my car. Little barbecue area. And yeah. Right, let's go back in.
Garage. That's the weird thing.
It is going to be weird having a garage. Yeah, so we're going to be able to barbecue. Where is my light? So that's the ground floor. Let's head up the stairs. This is like through the keyhole. Who'd live in a house like this? So again, up the stairs. This is going to be like the family bathroom.
My bathroom.
Is this your bathroom?
It's my floor.
Yeah.
Because it excites me so much that there's a bath and a shower.
And they're separate.
I love that.
It's fancy. No more like clambering over.
No.
I'm not. Have I said about what Luke's doing?
No?
Luke's not coming with us, is he?
Oh yeah. He's not.
No. That's going to be weird. Luke loves living in the town centre. Luke also, you know, he's 22 now. And he wants to stay at the hotel. So we need someone on site, you know, to make sure the house doesn't burn down. So Luke's going to be our guy on site. So that's going to be really strange. Not sure. I'm feeling quite emotional about that. I've got a funny feeling that I might stay at the hotel. It's going to be me and Luke at the hotel and Tracey and Daisy in the house.
I think Luke will end up here a lot of the night. So he's like, I'll just sleep on the sofa.
Yeah. Right, whose room is this?
It's my room.
It's got some fancy lights.
I've been left with like TikTok lights.
Let's go. Wow. They change colour?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So we're taking those down.
Oh, that bit's confused. That bit.
It's like a red bit. So Daisy's going to decorate this room, but again, a very nice size.
Good size.
It is a good size. Yeah.
But the lights aren't for me, so they will be coming down.
Shortly.
Surely.
And they've got a nice landing here. This is, you know, where we started the vlog. Cheers, here's HQ. And so we've got our signs up. And this is what Daisy and Luke got me for my birthday, which I love.
That was from the 50th collection.
Yeah, I love it. And we've got our Splash Mountain Funko and our Cheers Ears. So yeah, Tracey will be doing the business. Doing business in here. And we'll also put a chair bed in here for Luke and for guests. Now we're going up onto the top floor because we are on 3 floors.
That's crazy to me though.
What, having 3 floors?
It's really cool.
I'm really excited for when we get the cats here and we let them out and they just like, because the cat's
Kylo's going to lose so much weight.
He's just going to be like stairmastering. So, this is mine and Tracey's room. So we're up in the loft now. And this is a lovely big old room. We have got, we have got big old walk-in, hello, wardrobe. And this is going to be where Tracey does, you know, makes herself even more beautiful in the corner here. And we have got our own bathroom as well. So a nice ensuite shower room. So yeah, there we go. So as I said, we will be putting our stamp on it. We're not going to rush around because the hotel is flat out. We are super busy. I'll tell you what I do like, Daisy.
Tell me what you do like.
I like this area here.
What's on that?
No, these walls and bits and pieces. And I like the width of it. And I think we're going to have lots of pictures up on here.
Because we would have got 3
yeah.
nails.
Got 3 now, so yeah, we're going to get some pictures up there. So yeah, we are not going to bust a gut trying to, you know, get moved in all over one weekend. So we do have the luxury of pressure being off slightly. But one of the rooms that Tracy and I currently use as our bedroom will be released back into our letting stock. So yeah, we've got lots of other stuff going on. You know, we might be going somewhere soon. Oh, where are you going to?
I'm going on a cruise.
I know, that's amazing.
I know, I'm really scared. Just getting nervous, but I think I'm gonna love it.
Yeah.
I think the idea of floating in the sea. But apparently you don't know you're in the sea.
And you're going with Sam and his family?
I'm going with Sam and his family, who are like all over the cruising life. They've done it probably like their whole life.
Daisy has just bailed on the first excursion.
I haven't bailed on the first excursion, it just panics me because I've tried it before and it's a snorkeling excursion and I'm just...
It's right in the sea.
Yeah, I've done it in like Discovery Cove in a controlled environment.
Where it's all safe.
I'm just feeling a little bit worried.
Daisy, I'm 100% with you. So, back where we started in our new little house. Yeah, it's going to be really, really weird. I think it's going to be really weird when we actually like spend the first night in it. Because as Daisy said at the beginning of this vlog, she has never ever lived in a non-commercial property.
It's really weird. I feel like I need the cats here for the first night.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I just need that sort of like constant.
Yeah.
And then I'll be fine.
You just need that bit of normality. I think having a telly on will be, you know,
100%.
100%. Anyway, thank you so much for, first of all of you new lovely people and all, you know, the faithful that have been with us, you know, for a couple of years now. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments over the past trip. Yeah, we have got something in the pipeline, so we will report back soon. You know, we'll be back in the magic before we know it. So stay safe, be kind, look after one another.
You almost spotted, didn't you?
Cheers.